Log out from Canva, sign out of Canva. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can log out of Canva, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to log out of Canva, it is very simple. Open up the Canva application and then you're going to see this type of interface, and as you can see, I'm currently logged into my account. Now in order to log out, I just need to tap on the three lines option from the top left, and I'll find a particular name here where I can tap on this drop down menu and I'll find these options here. Now if you look at the very bottom of these options, one of the options says sign out. So when you tap on the sign out button, you'll be successfully signed out of Canva. So let me just demonstrate that by tapping the little sign out button, and as you can see, I'm successful. If I want to sign in again, I can just go ahead and sign in back again. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.